Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited images to videos. So there is a free AI tool in 2025 which is called Pixverse. So you will have to just visit on the pixverse.ai and make sure you will have logged in with your Google account and will just sign up easily. So from here you will see the interface of like this. You will just have to tab on it like image text. I will just put my images from my desktop, and if I just sample I will just tap on it this one. You will have to wait for the moment when it's completely uploaded, and from here you will just give them like description what you want to create, and you will just give them command like a boy running in street. So from here you just select the duration, and you just select the style or normal. So there are also effect and lip sync and extend characters, but I will just recommend it for the set all, and I will just tab on it. So it will create it about the 30 credits. Right now I will be have the 60 because it is firstly free version, and after you will have to purchase the plan of it. So when it's ready, so I will just show you. So in this way you will have to generate unlimited images to videos to using this software which is called pixverse.ai. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.